Hi, this is Dr. Waldeck with Health Source of Decatur. Today I want to talk to you guys about what we do for a typical adjustment. So we've got our patient here and we've already gone through her examination. We did an orthopedic test, range of motion, reflex sensation, palpation exam, and we took digital x-rays. I analyzed the x-rays and wrote her up a treatment plan. We've been under care for about 6 weeks now. She came in with complaints of headaches, neck pain, lower back pain, and tension in the thoracic spine. And we've been working with her on and off for 6 weeks. And Jocelyn, can you tell the audience a little bit about why you came in and what you were feeling before we got started?
I came in because I had a lot of neck pain. I used to have to take Tylenol every night before I went to bed. I didn't even realize that I couldn't bend my neck from side to side, move without moving my entire body. After my first adjustment, I was just stunned at how great I felt. As I continued to do treatment, I'm feeling much better. I can do jumping jacks now if I wanted to.
Yep, and she's had improvements in her sleeping habits too, is that right?
Yes, that's correct. I don't have to take medication anymore.
Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to check her neck out first and then we'll put her up on the bench and get her started. I just want to show you guys what that's like. Let's have you lean back here, Jocelyn. So we're just going to check her neck for range of motion, fixation, and tender spots. Like there's definitely one right here on the left side and down here on the right. Okay, perfect. All right, let's have you come up on this bench here, Jocelyn. We'll have you on your tummy face down for me, okay? Bring this down just a touch. Good. All right. So we're going to start with an adjustment in the thoracic spine to open up the thoracic cage here, and then we'll work down towards the lumbar spine. Okay. So there's a lot of tension between my hands here. Take a breath in for me. Let it go all the way down. Good, good. Just like that. Again, in and out. Let it go. Good. One more. Good. Let's have you take a breath. Hold on to it for me. Good. Hold breath. Good. Good. Let it go. Again, breathe, hold. Good. Good. Let it out. Little fixation in the right SI joint. And she's stuck at L4 and L5. Let's have you, I want you to lay on your side. Face me here to your left. Good. Bring you here just like this. Hold on right there. Bend this top one, straighten down here. Good. Come forward here. Awesome. Good. We're going to roll you here, okay? Good, take a breath. Let it out. Good. Good, one more. Okay, good. Let's check the other side. We're going to flip this way for me. Yep, good. Hold here. And here. Good. Come forward. Okay, take a breath. Let it out. Good. Good. All right, let's have you on your back, face up. So we're going to check out her cervical spine to finish the adjustment here. So again, we're just going to motion, look for restriction, tender seconds like right here. And right here. Just relax, let it go for me. Good. 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 And we're going to check the left side here. Good. Just let your shoulder drop back, head back. Good.
Oh.
Good. And a little traction to open up the discs in the cervical spine. This is great for cervical disc bulges and disc herniations if you've had any kind of trauma in the past for the cervical spine. And that's it for the adjustment. It's that simple. So if you guys have any questions, please post them in the comments below. You can also give the office a call at 822-1010, and you can book an appointment directly online at healthsourcechiro.com.